Even if I was blind, I would still break my heart.
And my heart can never forget your heartbeat, my love.
What kept you so long?
The king's business.
Are we ever going to be free from here?
Chokwala goku nguku bayo nya chokwala goku oye chogoku omenneku nneku biya ga-ebulu obu nguku banyi obu ajo ofia ilile ebulilie mpi ai nguku bayo nya chokwala goku nguku duku neje n'ikuku na-eme na puku puku You are highly welcome, my queen. Your presence to the sacred shrine of Nguku is indeed an honor. And your gift is also amazing. Nguku is pleased with your generosity and has promised to ensure that you get whatsoever answers that you seek here.
Tell Nguku that I'm most honored for his gratitude.
Anano? It is said that only the ant hold the secret of the earth. Only the wind hold the secret of life. Ola, it is time to unravel those mysteries that has beclouded your mortal comprehension. Oga Karakeruo, it is time for Nguku to reveal that truth that you seek. Osule. Yes, I make a game, Kubala Anumano. Ose? Aye. I saw.
What did Nguku say, wise one?
Naba naba di amma. I'm afraid the reason behind your childlessness is that without a remedy. Your husband can never get you pregnant, no matter how hard both of you tried.
Are you saying that my husband is important?
The gods never said so. The wisdom of the gods are strange. I see how desperate you are for an heir. I see your worries and your pains. The God said your husband can never get you pregnant, no matter how hard both of you tried. Dadiba. And for your generosity, I'll give you a solution. Seek for a young, fertile man and sleep with him.
the God of our ancestors, what atrocity have I committed that you have sworn to punish me beyond mercy? This is 6 years now since my wife the queen became the same body with me, warming our matrimonial bed without hesitation. And yet there has not been the cry of children heard between these walls, not even that of a child. I've been patiently waiting for a miracle to come, but it only seems like expecting the sun at midnight. How long am I to continue in this anguish and sorrow? How long shall I continue in this emotional torture and shame? Is it when age has paid me a visit, or death comes for its usual death? What legacy do I leave behind when I've joined my ancestors? Who shall be my heir? What legacy shall I leave behind when I am gone? Is it the one carved in a stone that will stand the end of time, or that which is made on the dust that fades with the wind? What will posterity remember me for? Only a poor infertile king with no heir to his throne.
May the gods bless my king.
You are welcome, my lady.
My lord, you look worried today.
I was only thinking. Isn't it obvious that the sheep cannot romance the tree unless it wants to cure its body from itching? What more can have my mind occupied except that which eats it up deep inside?
My king, I suggest you take it easy on yourself because of your health. I don't want to lose you.
My queen, you won't. I thank you for always being there to comfort me, especially in times of need. Meanwhile, where have you been all this while?
I went on a stroll.
I hope the heavens did well to your ravishing skin.
Quite refreshing, my lord. I know you must be hungry. Let me go and prepare your food for you.
I'm afraid I'm not hungry at this time. I almost lost it all.
Owing to your emotional disaster, my lord, it's high time you stopped feeding your heart with worries. Feed your body with food. I am going to prepare the food for you and even make it more delicious this time. Promise me you will eat.
If that will make you glad, I will eat the food.
Very glad, my lord. Let me go and prepare it. I'll soon be with you.
I can't wait to eat that food.
I'm afraid the reason behind your childlessness is that without a remedy, your husband can never get you pregnant, no matter how hard both of you tried.
And my heart can never forget your heartbeat, my love.
What kept you so long?
The king's business. Oh. You see, he's been soaking himself in an intoxicating wine. And as you know, I am the only one to fill up his cup in that heavy drinking.
So sad. Oh, poor king. This childlessness is gradually reducing all of his manly values.
Only the gods knows the reasons for every mischief. Okay, let's stop talking about him and talk about us, for our union is only in the near future.
And I can't wait. I cannot wait to be your wife.
I can't wait for that day too.
I can't wait to have my palms adorned with the traditional uri of marriage. I can't wait.
I can't wait for that day too. I love you so much.
I'm yours forever. Call it.
Obidike.
Bad luck for us now. Make sure you come to the gas quarters tonight, okay?
Obidike. I went to the gas chambers to look for you, but you weren't there.
Please, Your Majesty, forgive me. I heard a noise outside the palace, so I decided to check the royal barn to see if the livestock there are secured from thieves and animals.
I see. See me in my chambers tonight.
As it pleases Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I have not cleared the throne room as it is my duty for every night.
Don't worry, I'll send one of the maidens to take care of it. See me in my chambers.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Wine is sweet. Sweeter than even women. I will wait here. Drink and make merry until the moon sinks. For what is there than for a man to drink, merry, and wait for the claws of death to turn and burn him like a fiery furnace, especially a man that can barely be productive, a man that has no future. I shall drink and make merry and forget my anguish, or make her go drink. Yes, drink and turn away your anguish and pretend that you do not see the world mock you. More.
Your Highness, don't you think you are drinking too much?
Shut up! I said shut up!
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Come in. Obidike. Obidike, please help me remove my bead. I can't remove it.
Your Highness,
Please, just do it for me.
I don't think I know how to do it.
You will. Just try. Please.
Your Highness!
What?
No.
Wait.
Highness.
Come on.
Your Highness, please, I can't.
Why can't you?
I can't. No, Your Highness, I can't.
What is it? Do you want me to scream? I will scream and tell them that you're here to rape me.
Highness, why would you do a thing like that?
Because you don't want to do what I asked you to do.
Your Highness, please, I can't.
Do
please.
it. No.
Your Majesty, please, I can't.
Do as I have instructed.
Your Highness,
come on.
Highness. Hey.
Your Highness, please let go of my hands, please. Your Highness, please let me go. Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please. Please. I haven't done this before, please, I beg you, please.
No.
Your Highness, please. Somebody help me, please. Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please. Please, Your Highness, I have not done this before. I beg you. Your Highness. Your Highness.
Olama, I just don't understand it. You walked into the room looking like this, and here you are this morning in this same mood. What happened? all, are you fine?
Juma. No, Maka, I'm fine. I'm fine, Biko.
What happened last night? How did this blood get on my bed? Ngoku, the god of our ancestors. Why? What have I done? What a shame! No! No! This can be!
Good day, Obidike.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Well...
Obidike, what about the cowrie on you guards? You know I admire it most, especially when a handsome man like you.
The cowries on my beds is not always there. It's not a must wear. We can only wear when we choose this, okay?
Hey, Obidike, you know I told you I love you. You've not said anything since then.
How many times will I tell you that it is only Olama or never?
Obidike!
Hey! She is the only one I love. Been sad for days now.
Nothing is bothering me. I have been thinking and wondering. Are we ever going to leave this place? I mean, this royal bondage. Are we ever going to be free from here? Free to be together forever.
Just a little while, my love. We must be patient. Let's finish our service to the royal household to earn a source of livelihood when we are out of here.
Yes, my plans have finally reaped. The gods have elevated me before my equals. They have proven to the whole world that I'm a real woman with this seed in my womb. They have brought smiles, hope and fulfillment, not just to me, but to the entire kingdom, with the blessing of an heir. Abako's words must be proven wrong. Yes, I have taken my own fate by my hands. Obidike, I know that you are a real man. Thanks for saving me.
Your Majesty, sorry to interrupt, but I think you should see the king at once.
And where is he brooding this time?
In his chamber.
I've heard you. You can leave. My king, do you want to kill yourself?
Kill, did you say? Am I not better dead than waking up each day with misery and tears? Am I not better in the tomb than being cursed and abandoned by the gods?
Do not speak ill of the gods, for they have favored than cursed you.
Favored than cursed me?
Yes.
For being childless all these years. Favored than cursed me for having no hope of an heir to succeed me. Is that what you mean?
There is hope, my king.
Huh?
The gods have heard your cry and have shown mercy to you.
How do you mean, my queen?
My king, I'm pregnant.
You don't mean that. My queen, you know you don't joke with something like that.
It's not a joke.
It is very sensitive.
It's not a joke. Feel it. There is an heir. The heir to the throne of Amwe Kingdom.
My queen, you know you don't joke with something like this. It is very sensitive.
May the gods be praised.
May they be praised indeed. My queen, if this is true, I will forever adore you. For through your womb have the gods favored me this day and saved me from shame, sorrow and pains. Henceforth, I don't want you to stress yourself and the baby. Whatever you want to do, tell me on time and I will do it for you.
Yes, my lord.
Especially if it is what the royal heirs fail to do.
Yes, my king.
Precious. My queen, drink some.
I don't want to drink.
That's good.
Thank you.
Keep. Obidike.
Your Highness.
I want you to send words to Nkpokete, the town crier. Tell him that my wife, the queen, has conceived. Tell him that I said he should send a message across the entire inhabitants of Amoe and even the 6 boundaries
to inform them that on the Eke market day of the next moon, that everyone, including all the inhabitants of Amoye and all our friends and well-wishers from other neighboring kingdoms, should come to the palace and marry with us for this great blessing that has visited my household. Lest I forget, I want the 3 fattest goats from our livestock slaughtered for today's meal. Tell the Onowu and all the members of my cabinet to come to the palace and feast with the royal household today.
As your majesty pleases.
My king, your joy is overwhelming. I'm only afraid it doesn't get you insane.
Insane, did you say?
Yeah.
I wish he could make me rave the streets of Amoye mad. Honestly, you don't know how happy you have made me.
You deserve it, my king.
Oh, I don't know what I could have done without you, my queen.
My daughter, you will be fine. It's nothing unusual. Okay?
Are you done with my maiden?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is wrong with her? Is it fever?
I'm afraid not.
Then what?
It's confidential, Your Majesty. Please, can I see you privately?
She's pregnant?
Yes.
You can't be serious, Ojenjele.
Your Majesty, she's pregnant.
How come? Who got you pregnant? Speak before I roast your body and feed your flesh to the ravens.
Your Majesty, no man has ever tasted my womanhood.
Speak before I kill you with my bare hands.
Except the king.
What? How dare you? How dare you accuse the king? Do you want your head to go on this?
No. Please. I'm not lying. I'm not lying, please. It happened one fateful night. I went to clean the king's throne room and I met him drunk. That was how it happened.
Have you told anyone about this?
No.
Come here. Come! everything that happened that night should remain between you and I. No ear. I repeat, no ear must hear about this. Else, consider yourself dead. Do you understand?
Yes, my queen.
Don't be stupid. Get out!
Greetings, Your Majesty. You sent for me.
Excuse us. Sweetheart, you see, something has been bothering me concerning your countenance from the day the king told you I am pregnant. I was wondering if you're not pleased with the conception of the prince and the heir to the throne of Amuye Kingdom.
I am overwhelmed, Your Majesty. I am overwhelmed over the good news.
Do you think, or do I say, that what we had in the past has something to do with it?
I wouldn't know, Your Majesty. Would I? I think you should... I don't think I have anything with it, Your Majesty.
Perfect conclusion. How does your queen look?
As ravishing as ever. Fairest of all the queens that have treaded the earth. My queen.
Today is a special day, so I need to wear my special bead. Get me the box.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Where is my bead of power and authority? Who took away my bead from this box?
No idea, Her Majesty.
Do you expect me to believe that the bead I used the other day and kept in this box grew wing all of a sudden and flew away? Is that what you want me to believe? Somebody should talk to me. Where is my bead?
No idea. We don't know, Her Majesty.
No. Please, tell His Majesty that I need to see him. Hurry.
Yes, Her Majesty.
Okay, I know I kept it here.
Emenike, go and tell the Lolo that I am ready and that she should hurry up.
Greetings, Your Highness. I'm sorry to interrupt, but Her Majesty requests your presence.
Tell her that I will be with her very soon.
Okay, His Highness. Thank you.
I hope you checked your chamber thoroughly.
Certainly, my lord.
Does any one of you here have anything to say about the missing bead? I assume your silence means no. I hope all of you realize the implications should any one of you be found guilty of this crime.
Yes, yes, Your Highness.
Obidike.
Yes, Your Highness.
Take him and him. Go and search your quarters and the maiden's quarters thoroughly. Search the nook and cranny of my palace thoroughly. Make sure the missing bead is brought here in a short while. Or you will face the consequences of this despicable act.
Yes, Your Highness. Did you find anything?
Not at all.
I am not sure the Queen knows what she's saying, because we have virtually searched everywhere.
And I've searched everywhere behind, and I can't see anything.
Then, let's go to the maiden's quarters.
Okay, let's go. Obike, please hurry up. Ezike.
This is it.
This is Holoma's boss. Is this where you found it?
Yes. Let's go to the king.
Calm down, my queen.
Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Where did you find the missing bead?
In Olama's box, Your Highness.
What? Olama. Hi, Olama. How could you? I trusted you and promoted you to the post of the chief maiden. Why did you? I didn't do it, my queen. I didn't do it. I don't know what he's talking about.
But you heard the guards say they found it in your box.
My king, I swear in the name of the gods, I have no idea what he's talking about. I didn't take it. I'm innocent, please, my queen, I'm innocent.
Well then, no argument about this. Because I know how to find out if you are lying against the royal guards or they are lying against you.
Young woman, step forward. Do you realize the consequences should you be found guilty?
I'm innocent.
I suggest you confess now and beg for forgiveness so that the weight of your punishment could be reduced.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
What are you doing? What the fuck are you Igwe,
Eye of the gods.
It is time to reveal the truth. Now, step into Ungo's mat of justice and prove your innocence. Osula! 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 Nguku de meji kuku! Oh! Obia. Eh?
My eyes. My eyes.
Obia.
My eyes. I can't see.
Obia. You see Anyocha?
What is going on? I can't see anything. I can't see, please. My eyes, open it.
Young woman, I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now, you must face the doom which you invoked upon yourself. Isyocha, Ishayocha, Hobirinajocha.
My queen, Your Highness. I can't see. Somebody please help me. I didn't do it.
Igwe, Eye of the gods.
I have done that which you desired of me.
Thank you very much.
Go in peace.
Your Highness! Your Highness, please!
Obidike! Guards! She is hereby banished from this kingdom. Strip her of all her royal regalia. Take her into the evil forest where cursed people like her belong. Henceforth, she will have no dealing with any inhabitant of this kingdom. Obidike, guards!
Your Highness!
Take her away!
Your Highness!
Take her away!
Your Highness, please! Please!
Take her away!
Please! I didn't do this. Wait!
Your Highness, please don't.
I said take her away.
My queen.
A good job. Like they say, a good laborer deserves a good wage. I'll reward you very well.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty, for your generosity. Nguku is indeed grateful.
I should be the one thanking you. I owe you a lot. Don't forget we still have a lot to do in future.
I wonder where she might be now.
Where else? If not in the evil forest where she belongs. After all, she has no place to go. She's only an orphan.
You are not only beautiful, my queen, but also evil.
Abako, we are even.
We are even and evil. I heard the good news about your pregnancy. Obago.
Oh. Thank you so much. I owe you a lot for this. I don't know what I would have done without you. Your advice saved my face from shame. You can say that.
You're so sweet. The end of my life. I would do anything for you, Mama. What can I ever do without you? If only wishes were horses. The gods knows best. But I've lost you forever, my love. Forever. Together. Rise and be free.
No way. Give me that thing. Smile.
And what about it?
Hey,
Your eyes can charm even the goddess of you.
Just like your heart. Even the gods can't resist.
At times I wonder what life would be without you. Since I lost my parents, you have come to be one person that means so much to me.
My love, we are even. Just like I told you, I grew up not knowing who my parents were. Because the cold arms of death took them while I was still a sucking baby. But since I met you, that vacuum seems to have been filled. And my loneliness is gradually fading with the dawn of each day.
We have a lot in common. The bond that we share as orphans is unbreakable.
Perhaps, my jewel.
To what end will our love flourish?
Look. Till the sun stops shining.
I love you too.
Enu chebekiye, ana chebekiye, ikuku chebekiye, anyangu chebekiye, babando chebekiye, wanyama, makana mamna kagediocha, amamna kagediocha. Ifabuna sarawa, nebanyi, ebobuni chatakwa, na abimdi nebino. Love magambe cheregiye, agapwa machagiye, gachagiye, roni singua. Achaimima, makana chaimima, wanyama, alama wanyama, anyemejaraye, oh masinachi.
How long have you been here?
Long enough to see you brooding. Look, I know about Olamma. I know that you two love each other so much. But you don't have to be like this.
Do you believe she did it?
No, I don't. But the question is, who framed her up?
Mystery. It's quite a mystery. I wish I could unravel.
The gods are never asleep. They would definitely exonerate her. I know.
Would you? You're a good friend. Thank you for believing in her when everyone have given up on her.
So, what do you intend to do now?
Find her. Find her wherever she is in the jungle.
You know, that's a good idea. It will comfort her in this time of affliction and pain. I just wish I could come.
Enu chebekie, ana chebekie, ikuku chebekie, anyangu chebekie, babando chebekie, manyama.
Olama!
Mamna kagediocha. Amamna kagediocha. If I put a sarawa, nebani.
Olama!
Chatakwa. Na bimdi nebino. Chumwa wanye. Chumwa wanye. Chumwa wanye. Ina wanso.
I do not know where I am, for darkness has enveloped my sight. I do not know my fate. I depend on you, Abuma. Abuma! God of my late father, weary Abuma! Come to my rescue! Come to my rescue! Olama! Olama!
Is that you?
It's me.
How did you find me?
Whatever the heart truly seeks, it certainly finds. It's strange the gods led me right to you.
I'm glad you're here.
Same here, my child.
believe I did it?
No. I know you are innocent, my love. I know.
Thank you. Thank you for having faith in me.
The gods are with you. They see your broken heart and tears. I know you can't see, but we are before Amuma's shrine.
Eh?
Yes. I know he led me to you, and he will certainly protect you for me.
May the gods be praised. This place, henceforth, shall be my place of abode. For the gods have given an orphan like me shelter before its presence.
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred.
Did you find her?
Love you.
Yes.
May the gods be praised. So, how is she faring?
What do you expect of a helpless young blind girl in the forest all alone by herself? Of course, her condition is terrible.
The gods will protect her. Maybe I should go see her.
No. You can't afford such risk, Jumo. No one is supposed to be seen with an outcast, remember? We both know the punishment if you are to be found. Let me bear the risk alone. At least for the sake of love.
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care, oh no. Right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine. This is from me to you. I will love you, cause you love me. I will go through the fire for you. From me to you, they can't stop me. Yeah. They can't stop you. They can't stop what we share. Through this fire together. Me to you. They can't stop us. They can't stop us, baby. They can't stop what we feel inside, baby.
Did you say you saw her all over him?
All over each other. No.
That is not good for me at all. They must be stopped from seeing each other. Else, that one will open his mouth and she will start running her mouth. And that will be a great threat to me.
You must do something to stop him from that dangerous affair. You must stop them now.
You people should go in search of that fool. And when you find him, deal with him mercilessly. And after which you bring him to my presence. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care, oh no. Right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine. This is from me to you. I will love you, cause you love me. I will go through this fire for you. From me to you. They can't stop me. Yeah. They can't stop me.
Who is that?
They can't stop what we share.
Obi, is that you?
I will love you, but you love me. I love you. We will go through this fire. To you, they can't stop us. They can't stop us.
How can I go without you?
But you are putting yourself at risk. You know it is forbidden for anyone to be seen with me or be with me.
It doesn't matter the risk. What matters is that I have you in my arms right now. Come on, I brought you some food. Come, let's go sit.
You're under arrest by the order of the Queen.
You live long, Your Highness.
So you've been seeing her? Now tell me, what has she been telling you about me?
Nothing, Your Majesty.
Don't lie to me. Or has she not been telling you something about pregnancy?
No, Your Highness. Not at all.
Don't lie to me. Because if I find out you're lying to me, you will pay dearly for it. Now listen to me. I do not want to see you near her again. Henceforth, no more visit. If you disobey my orders, I'm going to report your stupid act with her. And you know the punishment. Should the Igwe happens to know about this, don't take my kindness for granted. Because next time, I won't be. You may let him be.
Yes, you are.
What we have is priceless. The sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care, oh no. Right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine. This is from me to you. I will love you. Cause you love me. I will go through the fire for you. From me to you. They can't stop me. Yeah. They can't stop you. They can't stop what we share. Through this fire together. From me to you. They can't stop us. They can't stop us, baby. They can't stop what we feel inside, baby.
Obin. Obike.
Oh baby, we will never give up. If I sorrow, I'm a baby. If I sorrow, I'm a bangy. Chaka, mana igana ebinunu. Emene mana, Chukwu kera ko ibo, kenye nyamira kabunono. I will love you, cause you love me. I will go
Where are you coming from this early morning with all these things you're carrying?
Aduge Sanachi.
Yes.
I am coming from an errand sent to me by the king.
Really?
Yes. How are your parents?
They are fine.
Please send me west to their life.
Okay.
I love what we have is priceless. No sacrifice.
Come. My love, come! Run up! Come with me! Come!
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care.
It felt so real and scary. Please, I think you should beware of the Queen. Please.
I've heard you. But do not be afraid, nothing will happen to me.
You know I can't stand that.
I will live for you till your last breath.
It's not shit.
By the authority of the Queen, you must come with us.
What? Dominike, move.
Come with us.
Mora! Ezike! What is the meaning of this?
Huh? Move!
What?
Move!
Please, leave me alone!
Don't shoot that, don't shoot! Don't do that! Please!
Have you seen what you caused yourself? Just because you refuse to let that girl be.
I love her with my life, Your Majesty. And no persecution or torture from you can make me abandon her in that helpless situation.
Quite a good confrontation from a dying lover. I have no time to bandy words with a commoner like you. Here, my last message. I would have reported you to the Igwe and the elders for you to bear the consequences of the sin you committed. But I spared you for one thing. When next you are sighted around her, consider yourself dead. Make sure he remains here for 4 days and nights. No food, no water. More torture.
I love her with all my life. Your Majesty the Queen, no persecution nor torture can make me abandon her for you, no matter what.
It is obvious their bond is too strong to be broken. Is it not better I kill him? No. I can't shed the blood of the father of my unborn child. That will be a curse on me. Yet I can't risk him meeting her before long. She will run her wide mouth to him, and that will not be good to me at all. I think I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do.
Your Majesty.
Where is she now?
She must be at the same place, at the ancestral forest.
Good. It is time to finish her.
How do you mean, Your Majesty?
I want her dead. I will reward you handsomely. That is, if you carry out the operation perfectly. No one must know about this. Just the two of you. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now you may go. Go! Go!
My love, easy.
Are the pains reducing?
Yes.
Why are you back here? You know it's dangerous.
Yes, I know. But no danger can stop me from seeing you. As soon as I was freed from the Queen's incarceration, I could think of nothing else but to come and see how you fare.
Right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine. This is from
How do I ever thank you for all these sacrifices?
My love, what we share is priceless. No sacrifice is too much.
Obim.
Yes.
There is something I must tell you. I've kept it to myself for some time now.
Okay, whatever it is, I'm all ears.
I am pregnant.
Alama, that is not possible. It's not possible. Even the gods know I have never had carnal knowledge of you. You are a virgin, so...
It's for Mekasu, the king.
What? Alama, how could you? How could you do this to me? After all we shared, yet you betrayed me!
Oh, Obim, wait. Let me explain to you.
There is nothing to explain. There is nothing to explain other than you have been in a secret affair with the king.
No. I have not been in a relationship with the king. Calm down, let me explain this to you.
Olama.
Please.
Olama. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this shameless act. Thank you for making my heart bleed.
Obim, please, it's not like that. You will have to calm down so that I can explain. I am not having an affair with the king. Obim! Obim, wait, let me explain, please, let me explain.
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred.
Why have thou forsaken me?
I don't care.
Why?
What anybody will say.
I am in pain! My heart is broken.
Right in your arms is where I wanna be.
My heart is broken. Hamuma. I am shattered in pains and anguish. What have I done to deserve this? What have I done? I'm only what's on offer, woman. I'm only alone. I have lived a life of suffering and pain and sorrow. Oh, why me? Why me? Obi. Who is that? Who are you? Please!
I said let her be!
Who are you, Hunter? Stay away!
Let her be or I blow your heads off.
You are still waiting. Go! Who are you?
Your savior.
Oh.
Come. So what do we do now? We can't just go back and tell the queen that we were scared by a mere old hunter and lose our prize.
No. We're not going to tell her that. Neither are we going to lose our prize. We're going to go back there and tell her that we have executed our mission. She's dead. After all, their paths won't even cross again. Moreover, I don't even want her blood in her hands in the first place.
I think you're right. Smart idea.
She has gone to meet her ancestors. At the Ndende River, we will drown her.
Good job. I'm going to reward you.
That was how I found myself here.
Strange indeed. I may not know you, but something deep down in my heart tells me that you are innocent. See, my daughter, the world is a puzzle itself. It is only time that has answers to all our questions. It is only time that will heal our wounds. My name is Uduma. I am from Ngodo Kingdom, ostracized for a crime I did not commit. My wife died in a strange way, and I was accused of killing her. I tried everything I could to prove my innocence, but the Onowu framed everything up just because of a last dispute I had with him. He turned the heart of Igwe and the entire villagers against me. That was how I find myself here.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay. You see, you are welcomed here until fate will find a way to you.
Hey.
Yes.
May the gods reward you.
Don't mention, there is no problem.
The gods bless you and keep you. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. You see, you are going to be here. Just anything you need, let me know. Anything.
It's a fresh one.
Obidike, Your Highness. You said that there's something very important you want to tell me.
Yes, Your Highness, there is something I want to tell you.
Go on, I am all ears.
Your Highness, I am not feeling too well. So I was wondering if I could take a day off.
That's all right. Wait until you are strong enough so that you resume your official duty in the palace.
Thank you, Your Highness.
mole, copy with this egg ma. On your make mole, imerole, copy with this egg ma. On your make mole.
How are you and our prince doing?
I'm fine. The prince is kicking in my womb, waiting for his journey into this world soon.
I can't wait to have that.
Me too, I can't wait.
Yes, I'm very happy about this pregnancy. And you are looking very beautiful.
Are you okay?
I was attacked by a wild animal.
I am no longer comfortable with his presence in this palace. It could only mean threat to me. He must be put out of the way. He must not set his eyes on this baby to avoid stirring settled water. No one is to be trusted. I won't take any chance at all.
Is everything okay?
What we have is priceless. The sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care.
Babe.
Chika, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. You see me disconsolate.
I am fine, Chika. I am only meditating.
I see. I need you to help me do something inside. You see, my boss is too stocked. That's too heavy for me to carry. Could you please help me?
Sure.
Thank you. Shall we?
What is the meaning of this?
Obi, you don't know how much I admire you.
No, please stop. Is this why you called me here? Please respect yourself. Respect yourself.
What is happening here?
What is happening here?
My friend.
He tried to rape me.
What? Please don't mind this devil. She lured me into this place to seduce me.
Strange.
My queen,
We shall find out.
My queen, there's Chika!
If wishes were horses, the gods know the best. I like your courage. Your kind heart. Your strong will. All these qualities has kept you. Not this one. Despite your physical disability. Even when I would have journeyed to my ancestors, I want you to still be courageous as ever. Remember, I will always be with you. You are not alone. The God of Amuma, the God of Remba, has been with you all this way. And He will always be with you. So be courageous.
Naibiko, I know you're in a lot of pains, but please don't talk this way. Please. I appreciate all the love and care you have shown me. You are kind too, for taking me in and giving me a sense of belonging at a time I needed it most. Only the gods can bless you for that. Please, I know you're hurting. But don't talk any further. Oh? You'll be fine.
My daughter, like I said, if wishes were...
It's okay. It's alright. The herbs are going to make it all better. You never know. I'll wave the flies away. Try it. The herbs are easing the pains, I suppose. Eh? Nine. Nine. Are you sleeping? Nine. Nine. Naiduma. Naiduma. Chibu. Chibu. Naiduma. Naiduma. Naiduma.
Eye of the gods.
Young man, step into Ngoko's mat of justice and prove your innocence for this shameful accusation of sexually abusing a palace maiden. Hello?
I can't see! Hey! I can't see what is happening! What is happening? What is happening?
What a shame, Obidike! You have violated our custom and tradition. Henceforth, you are stripped of all your royal entitlements. Obina!
Your Highness.
Call the other guards to take him into the evil forest where unclean things like him belong.
I am innocent, I am innocent. Chika, don't have I'm innocent.
The gods have joy.
Chika, don't have I'm innocent.
Obidike, it hurts to see you live this way. But we don't have a choice.
Where is this place? Where is this spot?
Here is the boundary.
I'm sorry, my friend. From here, you're on your own. Let's go.
It has been some time now since I lost Nayuduma. The kind man the God sent to me as comforter. I have exhausted the food in the house, and there is absolutely nowhere for me to get any more food. Please, gods of my ancestors, do not let me and my baby die. I may have to resort to begging. Yes.
Patience, Your Highness. Patience. The gods must surely see her through.
Yes, yes, yes. Push. Push. It's coming. It's coming. Push.
More. Push harder, push harder. Push. It's close. Push. Harder. Push the last time. Push for the last time. It's close.
Your Highness, you just need to be patient. Very soon, the gods will answer us.
Oh no. We have waited for so long. For how long shall we wait? Huh? It has taken so long.
We just need to be patient.
I just hope all is well.
All is well, Highness.
Your Highness.
How is she? How is my queen? Has she been finally delivered of the baby? Oh, may the gods be praised. I hope it's a boy.
Yes,
oh, Mbuku, may you be praised forever.
But Your Highness.
Ojengele, but what?
We lost the child.
What?
What is the present health condition of our king?
His condition is not encouraging. His fate lies with the gods. The death of the prince is about costing us another loss. A greater one.
Cause of our fathers.
Why? Why the Igwe? What has he done?
Uju! 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 Hola, ma! Uju! Hola! Uju! Hola, ma! Uju! Hola, ma! I'm so happy to see you, Hola!
How did you find me? I sought all possible means to get to you. Thank the gods I found you.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. Alright. How is OBDK?
It's been a long time I saw him.
Really? But he used to visit you on a daily basis.
Not until he walked out on me. And he never came back.
Walked out on you? And he never told me? I'm so happy, please. Well, I missed you so much.
That was how the king took advantage of me. And that resulted in my pregnancy.
Did you try explaining this to Obi?
I didn't get a chance to. Before I could explain things to him, he angrily walked out. He never came back.
I would have helped explain to him, but it's too late now.
How do you mean?
I don't know where he is.
What does that mean?
He was banished from the land for an attempted rape on Nkechi. But trust me, he is innocent. I know he is innocent.
Of course. Obidike would never do such a thing. I must find him. Juma, please help me find him. Please.
Olama, like I said, it is too late now. I don't know where he is. Nobody knows where he is. Not to talk more of knowing his fate. Just the gods alone knows. You know what? I'll get going now. You know the risk of coming to see you. Be fine, okay?
Thank you. You're a good friend.
Hola. It's okay.
Obi! Obi!
Would you?
Obi! Obi!
Would you? How did you find me?
The queen went out for a feast, so I saw the opportunity to come and see you and Olama.
Olama. That traitor. That prostitute. That ruined my life.
Obi, I understand how you feel. I met Olama not long ago and she told me everything that happened. It's not what you think. I know you did not give her listening ears. Perhaps you can give me one. Please. Just come sit here. And that was how it happened. You see, she's a victim of circumstance. Innocent and helpless.
How I wish I had listened to her. I wouldn't have left her all this while that she needed me most.
It's not time for regret and self-condemnation. I advise you go look for her, apologize to her and make up.
Uju, how do I find her? I cannot see.
I would have taken you to her, but you see, time is not on my side right now.
Uju,
Thank you. Thank you for the sacrifices you've made to Ola and I. May the gods reward your good heart.
You see, what are friends for? I have to hurry now. I would have gotten you food and water, but the one I have here, the ones I got, I already gave them to Olamma. So, I'll see you soon, okay?
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you.
God of Rainbow,
They know it's open, it's not secret.
I have come to you again.
What we have is separate. And I love you.
As always.
I don't care what anybody will say.
You have been everything to me. You have kept me all this time. You have sustained me. Even in the event of Nollywood's death. Amuma, you have been my strength, my source. I am only but a helpless, blind, pregnant orphan. Famine, hunger, and circumstances beyond my control is about taking me to an early grave. I beg you, Amuma, look down upon me with mercy. Look down upon me and my unborn child. Do not allow this ill fate that has befallen me be the fate of my unborn child. Amuma, please grant me a safe delivery. Great God, Amuma! Grant me a safe delivery. See my tears. Who is that?
Hola, my sweet Uju.
Uju?
Hola. What's the...
Uju?
Hola.
I think baby is here.
Oh, yes, oh, that man, she's in labor. Please help me out. Yes.
What is going on?
One more time. She's going to be fine.
beautiful as you are. So that was how it happened.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
I am the one to apologize to you for my stupid anger and being unreasonable not to have given you a patient hearing. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I shouldn't have left you all alone in this affliction.
Oh no, right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine, this is from me to you.
My heart longed for you so much.
I thank the gods.
The thought of you and our love kept me going, gave me strength.
I thank the gods for keeping you for me. Now that we have found each other again, together forever.
Oh baby, we will never give up. If I sorrow, I may bear. If I sorrow, I may bang you.
I have been wandering in loneliness all this time, whilst holding on to a little lamp of hope. You are my lamp of hope. You are that lamp of hope.
You are my sunshine.
They can't stop my mind. They can't stop what we share.
What about him?
The gods will decide.
My love, what we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care, oh no. Right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine, this is from me to you. I will love you. Oh baby, we will never give up. If I sorrow, I may bear.
So how do you survive all alone since the old hunter you spoke about died?
Begging. It's the only way I survive. It hasn't been easy. It's the only choice I have.
Begging?
Yes. In fact, if we don't want to starve to death with our child, then we should get to work now.
Which work?
Begging.
My love, what we have is priceless. The sacrifice is too much from me to you.
Did you hear?
Heard what?
That Olamma now begs at Wangu Pat.
Which Olamma?
The one you know. Olamma, your best friend.
Really?
That's not all. I also heard that she is heavily pregnant.
Onya Koko.
Chika, again, you can gossip. Eh?
You better cut your tongue before it lands you into trouble.
Biko, don't call Chika. The rumor is everywhere. Inano, don't call my name.
Continue.
You deceived me. How dare you? You lied to me that you've killed her.
Of course we did, Your Majesty. We drowned her.
Fools. Cowards. How can she be alive if you had done your job very well? Now listen to me. Search everywhere. The forest. Bring her and kill her. This time around, bring the head to me. No mistake.
As Your Majesty pleases.
Get out.
I'm tired of this Satchel. I'm tired. It's obvious you can't find her. Let's go.
How dare you fools!
I'm sorry, Her Majesty. We searched the whole forest, but we couldn't find her.
Impossible. She is there. Go and search further.
But Your Majesty, what's so special with her death? She's only suffering the cursed jungle.
How dare you ask me such stupid questions?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Leave my sight, you cowards, and do as you have been instructed. Fools. Cowards. I want her and the baby dead wherever they are.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Nwata bule na yelu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayopia ya anya. Kube.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh. Opola we. Officing we. It is too late, Your Highness. She has already given birth, and it is a male child. Nekwa, the boat dwelled in a hut near Dendende River.
What? Then kill them both.
What's it? You mean the mother and the child?
You heard me correctly.
Ezie Moses yogaranya gameje. Mana se mo gwara jubulu n'aka madiri ya. O metele ya bulu. O metele ya bulu. O metele ya bulu. O metele ya bulu. Amuma? The kind God of the rainbow and the rain. Who has provoked you? Why have you visited Abako? Abugine biaro madu.
Is it playing? Is it playing?
Yes, it's playing.
What we have is priceless. The sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care. Oh no. Come rain, come shine.
I can see you.
This is from me to you.
I see you too.
From me to you.
I can see.
What happened?
I can see. We can see. We can see. We can see. We can see.
Baby.
What is going on? Why did Amuma strike Abako? Did it have anything to do with Olamma and her baby? No, I don't think so. Be it as it may, the baby must die, and so is she. I have found where she is. She lives in a hut near the river. She has a baby with her. Find her, kill her and the baby.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Are you people telling me that nobody knows the whereabouts of Ezike and Emenike since morning they left this palace? This is strange. Obinna.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you and other guards to go in search of them. Search everywhere in this kingdom and make sure you come back with them.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
Is there any word from Obinna and the other guards that went in search of Ezike and Emenike?
Not yet, Your Majesty.
You may go now.
Thank you.
Emenike! Ezike! Emenike! Ezike! Ezike! Emenike! Ezike!
Olama, what happened? This is strange. You mean they wanted to kill you and your baby? And Obidike intervened, and this resulted to this bloodbath. Why would they want to kill you and your baby?
I wish I knew.
This story is all strange. Even you people regaining your sights. However, we must take words to Her Majesty, the Queen. But be rest assured, she will not believe this story. And I also believe you realize what that means for you. We must take these corpses for burial. As for Obidike, you take care of it.
As we all know, that our kingdom has been in a terrible state of late, considering the critical health issues of our king and the strange death of our chief priest, Agbako. I think we need answers from the gods.
You have spoken my mind, or no? We must consult Akreka, the great Dibia, for questions.
Elders of Amoye Kingdom, I quite understand your point clearly. Let us look at it from the natural point of view. We all know that my husband got ill as a result of the shock he got from the loss of our baby. And as for the chief priest, Agbako, I believe he angered the gods and they struck him. We are not supposed to be bothering ourselves thinking on how to call the Akreka, the great dibia. What we should be talking about is how to make the king get well soon.
I think she has a point.
That's it.
As the owner of this kingdom, I still insist we consult Africa. What a miracle! Here comes the Africa we are talking about. Welcome, wise one.
Greetings, the people of Amoye Kingdom. Nguku had heard your cry and the puzzles of your hearts. Abako, his late servant, committed a great atrocity that cost him his life. Evil, blackmail, conspiracy, falsehood, a murder, has been conceived by an evil heart. Whoever is guilty must confess.
Old man, what are you talking about? How dare you accuse the royal household for a crime like this?
I am only a messenger and the mouthpiece of the gods. My tongue is not mine.
The gods cannot speak ill of royalty.
Perhaps the ways of the gods are mysteries to mortals. Whoever that is guilty must confess.
I committed the evil.
The gods cannot lie.
Obina! Wara! What happened to them?
Oh no. We found them lying dead in a faraway hut by Mdede River, where Olama lives with her newborn baby.
They lay next to Obidike's corpse. She said they came to kill her and her baby before she was saved by Obidike, who also lost his life in battle.
How innocent blood are wasted for the sake of this evil woman. That child must be found. We all know that the blood of that child is the blood of the king and the heir to the throne of Ammon.
Lolo, chica. Chica.
Onye mmehika ga-emole, ga-emole, ka obi nwetizie gị mma. Onye mmehika ga-emole, mere ole, ka obi nwetizie Chinwe onye. Chinwe na-enweghị nna. Chinwe onye. Chinwe na-enweghị nne. Chinwe onye. Ịnọkwa nso. Ịnọkwa nso.
We know everything that happened, my daughter. We have come to take you and the baby. So, stop shedding tears. So, that was what happened, my daughter. As you may know, your son here is of great importance to us and to the people of Hanoi. We apologize for all the evils that was maimed on you. Please, you should come with us. I beg you. As Obidike, we will give him a befitting burial and a title even at death as the savior of our future king.
Now you know.
My daughter.
It is very unfortunate to hear that King Omekasu is critically ill. However, I do not wish to return to the palace or to Amoye land. Not after all the pain, all the trials, the sufferings, betrayals, and afflictions that I have gone through on account of them. This is where I belong now. This is my home. And I do not want to go anywhere else. I'm sorry to disappoint you.
My daughter, you know how you feel. But for the sake of God, I personally want to beg you to forgive and forget whatsoever that happened in the past. Consider our apology. You know the fate of the king and the entire Amoye kingdom lies on your palm through this child on your arms. Do not turn your back on us. Save us. Save your own people. I I know. It's a taboo for a titled man like me. You will know if I'm a kingdom to do this. But I want you to see the pains, the consequences should you turn your back on us. On behalf of the king and the entire inhabitants of Amoye kingdom, I plead with you once again. Forgive us. Please forgive us. Please forgive us. Please forgive
Thanks to the gods, they have finally answered our prayers. The king is hale and hearty.
Oh, may the gods be praised! Thank you very much. Welcome back to life, Your Highness.
Thank you, Ono. Ono, how long have I been lying in there like rotten vegetables?
Very long. Very long, Your Highness, to have missed the mistress around the kingdom.
Ono, how is my king?
Your Highness, it's a long story. Come sit.
We have been waiting for too long. Oh no, what is it you said we are waiting for?
Your Highness, I have a very big surprise for you.
Oh, I can't wait to hear it.
Here comes the surprise.
Is this not Olama? What is she doing in the palace? She was ostracized.
Igwe, as the Ono has already said, she is no longer guilty. Here comes the prince of Amoye kingdom, the heir to your throne. This is how it all happened. Thank the God for a day like this.
I can't thank all of you enough for your productive and noble efforts in seeing to the affairs of the kingdom when I was physically incapacitated due to my illness. I thank you more especially for sanitizing the palace of the likes of the evil queen. I thank the gods for their intervention and for giving me a son, an heir, when it seems all hope was lost. I thank Olamma here for her perseverance and forgiveness after all we did to her. To further appreciate her role in my life and to the future of this great kingdom, I want to inform all of you here present that I want to make her my wife, the queen of Amoye Kingdom. Please, Olamma, what do you say? For the future of this great kingdom lies in your hands.
What we have is priceless. No sacrifice is too much from me to you. They know it's open, it's not secret. What we have is sacred, and I love you. I don't care what anybody will say. I don't care, oh no. Right in your arms is where I wanna be. Come rain, come shine, this is from me to you. I will love you, cause you love me. I will go through the fire for you. From me to you, they can't stop me. Yeah. They can't stop you. They can't stop what we share. Through this fire together. From me to you, they can't stop us. They can't stop us, baby. They can't stop what we feel inside, baby. I am man, oh darama. To measure, I didn't know be more. I ban your jacka, mother danger. Oh, baby, we will never give up. If I sorrow, I may bear. If I sorrow, I may bang.